Hello and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I get free cruises and how you can too. I'm also going to show you how you can get some free cruises without even gambling, for my people that don't even gamble and want completely free cruises. Now first, we all know when you go to Vegas or you go on cruises and gamble, you'll get some offers. Now I've sailed with multiple cruise lines. I've sailed with Carnival, I've sailed with Disney, and I've sailed with Royal. I want to sail with a lot more, but I got into cruising kind of late. Here's the thing. The very first cruise I went on was Carnival, and I gambled on Carnival. They had a casino, got off, had a good time. Then my next cruise, I went on Royal, and I felt like it was for me personally, it was a huge step up. And they had a casino, and I gambled just about the same as I did on Carnival. Now the thing is though, is after that one time I went on Royal, right away I got email offers and I got letters in the mail, like I just got this one from Royal Caribbean. They started sending me free room offers, free cruises right away. And for me, that was a really big surprise. Only gambling once on Royal, I think that's a really, really great deal. The cruise offers I get are not only a free cruise for me, but half off for somebody else. So I'm able to go for free and get half off for my wife. I only got to pay the port fees and taxes. Just like in Vegas, you always got to pay the resort fees. When you go on cruises, you always got to pay port fees and taxes. You're taxed forever. You can't get away from taxes. And then I got mine free, and my wife, I just had to pay half of her cruise fare and then port fees and taxes. So it's a great deal. But Carnival didn't send any. So Royal Caribbean, big ups on that. The other way you can get free cruises, if you've never even been on a cruise, but let's say you've been to Vegas or you've been to any MGM property, which is MGM, Mandalay Bay. They have a whole bunch, Excalibur, Luxor, just to name a few. They actually start sending me offers through my email for my M Resort. As long as you get a player's card at MGM, M Life, you'll start getting offers in your email. And one of the offers they started sending me, which they sent me a couple times, is for free cruises, like this one that you see, where this one obviously is for February, which passed, but they constantly send them. Carnival, Holland, and Princess Cruises for free cruises with MGM. And it's up to 8 nights, Caribbean, Mexico, California, Bahamas, Europe, for an interior cabin. Now, most of the free offers you get are going to be interior cabin on a cruise ship. Me personally, I prefer interior cabins. If you're very motion sickness prone, well, with interior cabin, honestly, I have no issues filling it. And I feel like they're quieter rooms having an interior cabin. So that's just my personal opinion. I kind of prefer them over other rooms that I've had. But the interior is technically the cheaper cabin, so that's the one they usually give you the offers for. I am starting to get offers for Ocean View on Royal ships. Now, the other way that you can get free cruises, what you've been waiting for, is here's one way that I got it. I went to the Venetian in Las Vegas, and every casino I go to, I get a player's card, even if I'm not gambling. I went to the Venetian. I didn't even gamble. I went and got a player's card. We didn't have a lot of time on our trip. After I got the player's card, I had my email set up. I started getting emails like this. I got emails for free rooms, and I got this email from Venetian for a free cruise on the Princess Cruise and Holland. So obviously they teamed up, and it's a complimentary cruise certificate for 2. If you ask me, that's a great deal. So that's a completely free cruise without even gambling $1. It worked out perfect. Free room offers and free cruise offers for Princess, which I've never been on, or Holland. So I'm definitely going to take them up on one of these emails that they send me and go on a free cruise for one of those. Because like I said, I've only been on Royal, Carnival, and Disney. Disney, you're not going to get a free cruise. If you get a free cruise on it, please leave a comment below on how you get free Disney cruises, because that one costs us an arm and a leg. But they are different. They are top of the line. Any dining experience there was top of the line. And all inclusive, you don't got to pay extra for soda. That's probably my pet peeve. One of my pet peeves with Royal, one of my few pet peeves, because I love Royal Caribbean, is to get soda, you got to do the upcharge. You got to pay extra for soda with all their different packages or however you want to do it. Cruises, I like everything included. That's the whole point of the food included and the drinks, except alcohol. But Royal makes you pay for soda. It is what it is. Good thing I'm not a big soda person. I just buy myself some drinks or get the drink package for alcohol. If you get the drink package for alcohol, though, that does include soda. So if you're going to get the drink package, you don't got to worry about the whole soda thing. Anyway, that's how you get free cruises. Royal, I would say, so far is the best one. They're very generous with their cruise giveaway to their gamblers. Carnival has not sent me any free offers. The only free offer I got for Carnival was through MGM. And it wasn't through Carnival. Then the Venetian didn't even have to gamble at all with their players card. I did not gamble, and free offers. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this helps you out, and hopefully I get to see you on a free cruise. Until next time.